Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and today I am joining OK at Home DIY and Connie's Creative Creations for What Would You Make Challenge. I have 3 different crafts to show you using wood. I hope you enjoy my video, and at the end, if you do, I sure would appreciate it if you'd give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, you can subscribe by hitting that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell and the word all so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Also, I'll be sure and list our host channels down below and the playlist of everyone who is joining in today's challenge, making different crafts using wood. I'm so happy you joined us today, and I thank everyone for watching my video. Now let's get over to my craft table and let me show you what I'm doing with wood for What Would You Make? Thanks so much, and I hope to see you all again at Nona's Here again very soon. Thanks. How rude of me. I forgot to introduce you to our guest host, CJ DIY. All right, for my first project, I'm going to use this foam wreath that I got at Dollar Tree and some multiple colored daisies. And I've already stuck them into the foam wreath, just cut off the stems and stuck them in. And I've left this little space at the bottom. Then I'm going to use this heart-shaped wooden plaque that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm showing you there that I got it at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint it with my chalk paint in this Victorian pink chalk paint. I'm going to paint it on both sides and around the edges, and I think I gave it 2 coats. So there I am. I'm going to paint it. Chalk paint covers real well, but I think I gave it two coats to make real nice coverage. So there I painted it both sides, and then I took my Cricut and I looked up different ways to say in different languages the informal hello. So I have printed off different ways to say hi, the informal hello in different languages, and I printed those off, and then I put them onto my painted heart shape. And then I have several different colors, kinds of ribbon, different colors of ribbon. And I'm going to take the ribbon and attach it to the bottom of the daisy-covered wreath form. There it is. I'm showing you all the different kinds of hello, hi I've put on there. And these are the different ribbons I had to choose from, and I'm going to use the glitter pink ribbon. And I got it at Dollar Tree. Did I say Walmart all those times? I meant Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm going to use that. And I tied a tie at the top to hang it up. And here it is, all finished, with the daisy covered wreath and the heart hanging down below. So what do you think? I think it came out real cute. I'm happy with it. Now we're on to project number 2, and again I'm using another one of these heart-shaped signs that I got at Dollar Tree, and one of these small little wooden crafts that has the rope tie on it. And I'm going to paint the heart with the chalk paint fern that I'm showing you there, and I'm going to paint the little crate with the chalk paint sage, one of my favorite colors. And again, I'm going to paint both sides of the heart with the fern, and I'm going to paint the crate with the sage inside and out. So there I've painted the heart. and there I've painted the crate, and I have painted a little bit of the inside of the crate. And then I'm going to take the foam that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut it and put it inside of the crate. Then I have some yellow daisies. Oh, I was going to use this grosgrain ribbon, but forget that. I didn't use it. I continued to use the twine. I thought the twine worked out better. And so I stuck the daisies into I printed off on my Cricut. Everyone wants to be a rose. I want to be a daisy. Daisies live longer. And it says Teddy because that's my name, and this is a gift that I'm giving to a friend. Now, the reason why you don't see me doing all that is because I lost that part of the recording. But now you see it all done with the heart and the little crate. And like I said, I didn't use the ribbon. I stuck with the twine, made a little shoe lace bow, hot glued the crate to the heart, and made a hanger with new twine. And that is how it turned out. I think it came out real cute. And that is the second What Would You Make project. So that's number 2. And let's take a quick look at number 1. Tell me which one is your favorite. The pink heart with the informal ones that say hello with the pink daisy wreath, and this one, which is the green heart with the yellow daisy crate. Thanks again to our host and our guest host for allowing me to participate today in What Would You Make? Don't forget to check down below for our host and our guest host channel links and the playlist so you can see what everyone else is making today for the What Would You Make challenge. Thanks so much for joining me at Nona's Here, and I hope to see you again very soon.